Alright, here we go, 4th graders. I am very, very excited to show you what we are doing today. So, I made some mistakes. So I was making up this Unit 2 math test. And I realized I made a lot of mistakes in it, and I need your help to fix it. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So you'll want to be in present mode when you do this. And you'll see some directions right here, basically just telling you what I'm telling right now, that I'm unsure if these math problems I have are right or not, and I need your help. And if you could check my work and let me know if I'm right. So if I'm wrong, you have to work out the problem so that I know what I did wrong. And if I'm right, you can tell me why I'm right. And then take a picture of your work and insert it if you need to. So let's look at the different types of problems. So here, you need to draw all the arrays for 16. So you need to look at what I have and decide if that's right or not, and if you want to delete what I have and insert your own, you can. If it's right or not, you can just add in the speaker notes why it is, or if you want to add like a text box, just click that T, you can go there, and you can add a text box in there. And that would be for any slide. So now you got factors of 16, so are these all the factors of 16? Why or why not? Are these the first 10 multiples of 9? Is this area problem correct? Is this number of minutes correct? Do I multiply or add here and explain why? And then here there's an arrow pointing to any right angles. If there are none, delete the arrow. So this is where I think a right angle is. And if that's not right, you can move the arrow around to where it is, or if there are none, delete it. And then again, explain why. And properties of quadrilaterals. So is this correct? It has 4 parallel sides and no right angles. Change it so that it is correct. Is this showing a line of symmetry? If not, change it and explain why. And then completing this table. So this table has numbers I added in red. The ones in black were already there. So it's like I worked this out. Here's the rule. So you need to tell me, are the numbers in red correct or not, and why? And that is it. When this is done, make sure to turn it in.